Hello everyone, welcome to e-learning. I am Miss Sonali Bothe, Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry in SNJB Arts, Commerce and Science College, Sandwad. Today I am going to start chapter first, Methods for Determining Reaction Mechanism, Kinetic and Non-Kinetics Method. Today we will see some basic concept of organic reaction mechanism related to this chapter. First, see the types of reaction. There are two types of reaction. First is the polar reaction and second is the non-polar reaction. First, see the types of polar reaction. The first type of polar reaction is the addition reaction, elimination reaction. Then third is the addition elimination reaction. Fourth is the elimination addition reaction and last is the substitution reaction. Now see the types of non-polar reaction. The first type of non-polar reaction is the radical reaction. Second is the pericyclic reaction. Then pericyclic reaction again divided into four types. The first is the cycloaddition reaction. Second is the electrocyclic reaction. Third is the cheletropic reaction. Fourth is the 1,3 dipolar reaction. Now, first see the type of polar reaction. The first type of polar reaction is the addition reaction. A chemical reaction in which two or more reactants come together to form single product. Molecules having multiple bonds undergo addition type of reaction. Addition reaction again divided into two types. The first type is the electrophilic addition reaction and second type is the nucleophilic addition reaction. So first see the electrophilic addition reaction. We can see the example of electrophilic addition reaction in which alkene is treated with acid which shows the electrophilic addition reaction. Then see the another example. In this example, ketone is treated with acid shows electrophilic type of reaction. Then see the nucleophilic addition reaction. See the example of nucleophilic addition reaction. Now we will see the nucleophilic addition type of reaction in which nucleophile attack on the alkene shows nucleophilic type of reaction. This nucleophile attack on this alkene and formation of negative charge. Then another example is the nucleophile attack on the carbonyl compound and shows nucleophilic addition reaction. Nucleophile attack on ketone and formation of O- ion. Then see the second type of polar reaction is the elimination reaction. Elimination is the type of reaction is mainly used to transform saturated compound to unsaturated compound. Several atoms either in pairs or groups as removed from a molecule. The removal usually take place due to the acid, bases or metals. Then the elimination reaction divided into three types. The first type of elimination reaction is the bimolecular E2 elimination reaction. Second type of elimination reaction is the unimolecular E1 reaction, and then third type of elimination reaction is the E1CB reaction. Then first see the bimolecular E2 elimination reaction. An elimination reaction in which the rate of reaction is depend on concentration of substrate and bases. The second point of bond breaking and bond making take place simultaneously. Third type of this reaction is the one-step reaction mechanism. Now see the example. OH minus abstract this hydrogen atom and formation of double bond, and this chlorine atom is the good leaving group is leave easily. Then formation of alkene plus water molecule plus chlorine, it is the good leaving group. Then see the second type of this reaction is the unimolecular E1 reaction. An elimination reaction in which the rate of reaction is depend on concentration of substrate. The unimolecular reaction is the two-step reaction mechanism. Carbocation is the reaction intermediate. See the example of unimolecular E1 reaction. In this reaction, chlorine is the good leaving group, then formation of carbocation. Now this hydrogen atom is abstract by OH minus, then formation of double bond. It is the product of unimolecular E1 reaction, and side product is the H2O and Cl minus. Then third type of elimination reaction is the unimolecular E1Cb reaction. An elimination reaction which occur under basic condition where the hydrogen to be removed is relatively acidic while the leaving group is relatively poor one. Usually strong base is present. Now see the example of unimolecular E1Cb reaction. In this reaction, usually strong base is present. This strong base abstract this hydrogen atom and formation of carbanion, and this carbanion negative charge attack on this carbon and formation of double bond and chlorine leave. Then now see the third type of polar reaction, addition elimination reaction. In this reaction, see the two-stage reaction process of an addition reaction followed by an elimination reaction. See the mechanism of this reaction. This reaction, benzene molecule are the reactant. This double bond of ring attack on electrophile, then formation of positive charge carbocation. Then again conjugated base are present. This conjugated base abstract this hydrogen atom and here double bond, and see the product of addition elimination reaction. Then fourth type of polar reaction is the elimination addition reaction. Two-stage reaction process of an elimination reaction followed by an addition reaction called as elimination addition reaction. See the example of elimination addition reaction. In this reaction, strong base are present, and this strong base abstract this hydrogen atom and formation of benzene like product, and these chlorine are leave easily. It is benzene intermediate, then nucleophile attack on this double bond and here positive charge are formed. Then this positive charge on carbon atom abstract this hydrogen atom and see the product of elimination addition reaction. Then last type of polar reaction is the substitution reaction. the reaction in which displacement or replacement of an atom or group of atom by other atom or group. Substitution reaction divided into two types: electrophilic substitution reaction and nucleophilic substitution reaction. Now see the electrophilic substitution reaction. Electrophilic substitution reaction, it is the two type reaction. First, in benzene ring, the double bond attack on electrophile and formation of positive charge here. Then three resonating structure. These double bond are migrate here and positive charge are present here. Then in next structure, this double bond migrate here and positive charge present here. Then second step of this electrophilic substitution reaction is the proton loss step. In this step, this proton here and formation of double bond. Now see the nucleophilic substitution reaction. Nucleophilic substitution reaction is again divided into two types: aromatic nucleophilic substitution reaction and aliphatic nucleophilic substitution reaction. An aliphatic nucleophilic substitution reaction is again divided into two types. The first type is bimolecular SN2 reaction and unimolecular SN1 reaction. Bimolecular SN2 reaction. One bond is broken and one bond is formed, synchronizing. It is one step reaction. Backside attack favorable. See the mechanism of this reaction. OH minus attack backside on this and bromine are leave and these transition state are formed. OH minus attack here and bromine leave and this product is the bimolecular SN2 reaction. Now see the unimolecular SN1 reaction. SN1 means nucleophilic substitution reaction. Unimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction. SN1 reaction mechanism follows a step-by-step process. It is the two-step reaction: formation of carbocation from the removal of leaving group. See the mechanism of SN1 reaction. The first step of SN1 reaction is the leaving group are leave and formation of carbocation. Then second step is the nucleophile attack on this carbocation and then nucleophile attack on backside and nucleophile attack on front side. These two products are possible. It is the racemic mixture. Then second type of this reaction, aromatic nucleophilic substitution reaction. The reaction in which direct amination takes place on aromatic compound with soda amide in presence of ammonia, and it is the example of Chichi-Babin reaction. See the Chichi-Babin reaction. In presence of ammonia and soda amide is present in as a catalyst. This NaNH2 lone pair of present on NH2 and this attack here and formation of this product. Now see the second type of reaction. It is the non-polar reaction. There are two types of non-polar reaction. First one is the radical reaction and second one is the pericyclic reaction. Now see the radical reaction. A radical reaction is any chemical reaction involving free radicals. Many radicals reaction are chain reaction with chain initiation step, propagation and termination step. Single-headed arrow shows moment of electron. It is the structure of single-headed arrow. He shows that moment of electron. See the general steps involved in radical reaction. There are three steps involved in free radical reaction. First one is the initiation step. The second step is the propagation, and last one is the termination. First, see the initiation step. See the reactant. In reactant, one covalent bond are present, and these covalent bond are cleaved by homolytically in presence of heat or light. It gives two radical, A radical plus B radical. Then second step is the propagation step. In this step, the A radical react with another molecule C and D. In A, one radical is already present, then C and D covalent bond are cleaved by homolytically. Then C radical and D radical are present. Then this A radical and C radical form the bond plus D radical. Then this D radical it react with another molecule EF. Then these covalent bond are cleaved by homolytically. Then E radical and F radical are present. Then this D radical and E radical are form bond and F radical are present. Then last step is the termination step. In termination step, F radical, this F radical plus G radical form bond. There are three steps of free radical mechanism. First is the initiation, then second is the propagation, and third is the termination. Now see the pericyclic reaction. Transition state of the molecule has cyclic geometry. The reaction progress in a concerted fashion. The third is the bond orbital involved in the reaction overlap in continuous cycle at the transition state. Reaction is mainly initiated by light or heat. Now see the types of pericyclic reaction. There are 5 types of pericyclic reaction. The first is the cycloaddition reaction. Then second is the electrocyclic reaction. Then third is the sigmatropic reaction. Fourth is the cheilotropic reaction. And fifth is the 1,3 dipolar reaction. Now see one by one. First see the cycloaddition reaction. In cycloaddition reaction, in which two or more unsaturated molecules combine with the formation of a cyclic adduct, which there is a net reduction of the bond multiplicity. See the example of cycloaddition reaction. It is the 4 plus 2 addition reaction. It is the another name of this reaction is the Diels-Alder reaction. The first reactant is the diene and second reactant is the dienophile. Then dienophile react with diene to form this product. Then this bond attack here, then this bond here and this bond here. Now formation of this product, and this reaction also called as 4 plus 2 cycloaddition reaction. Now see the second type of pericyclic reaction. An electrocyclic reaction is a type of pericyclic reaction in which one pi bond being converted into one sigma bond. Now see there are two types of electrocyclic reaction. First one is the ring closing reaction. In this reaction, the reactant is here. These bond are move here, this bond here and this bond here. Now see the ring closing reaction. Then see the second type, ring opening reaction. In this reaction, these bond are move here, these bond are move here and this bond move here. Then formation of ring opening reaction. Then third type of this reaction is the sigmatropic reaction. In sigmatropic reaction, which the migration of sigma bond across conjugated system take place. Now see the example. Then in this example, these sigma bond are migrate here and this bond are migrate here. It is the example of sigmatropic reaction. Now see the chlotropic reaction. In chlotropic reaction, in which involve a transition state with a cyclic array of atoms and an associated cyclic array of interacting orbitals, a recognition of sigma bond and pi bond occurs in this cyclic array. Now see the example of chlotropic reaction. In this reaction, SO2 molecule are present. This SO2 attack here, this bond move here, and this bond attack on SO2 here. Now these product are formed. Now see the 1,3 dipolar reaction. In 1,3 dipolar reaction, unsaturated system reacts with 1,3 dipolar molecule via concerted fashion to give cyclic molecule. Now see the example of 1,3 dipolar reaction. In this reaction, this double bond attack here, this bond, this minus charge attack here, this double bond attack here, and this double bond are stabilize this positive charge and formation of this product. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.